Rajat and I are very excited about the MBA Bootcamp event on this Saturday in Bangalore. And I'm very sure that our students share the same level of excitement. And I can tell that based on the questions that have been pouring in. So it's only obvious that we should take a couple of those questions and see if we can address those. Shivani Ved has asked, how can I score a 750 on the GMAT? Shivani, the most important thing to score 750 on the GMAT is to create your own personalized study plan and to execute it to perfection. Now, to create your study plan, you need to take a mock test and you need to get a good estimate of your starting abilities in each of the 5 subsections: sentence correction, critical reasoning and reading comprehension in verbal, and arithmetic and algebra geometry in quant. Now, the next step is to figure out your target abilities in each of these 5 subsections. Now you set to execute this study plan. As you achieve your target subsectional abilities in each of the 5 subsections, you will see that you are coming a step closer to your score of 750, one ability at a time. So the next question is from Jay Suri, and he's asking about how to take the GMAT while fulfilling responsibilities at work. Very, very apt question, and I believe all of you can associate with that because most of you are working professionals who have to take the time out to prepare for GMAT and then to prepare your MBA applications. The first and the foremost thing to understand is that preparing for GMAT is a project which requires a huge investment of time, and time is a finite quantity. So understand this, that something will need to give from your personal time. Recognition of that is very, very important. Now, once you recognize that, you should also make sure that you tell your family, your friends, your colleagues about this major project in your life because you will need their support. Now, time being a finite quantity and you having limited amount of it means that you need to make the most judicious utilization of the time that you have at hand. For that, you need to create your own personalized study plan which takes into account your strengths and your weaknesses and optimizes your plan accordingly. In the bootcamp on Saturday, this Bangalore, we will be talking a lot about this, and we'll be showcasing different kinds of study plan that will be created utilizing our groundbreaking technology, in which we'll show you how you can create a plan from a 550 to a 750, 650 to a 750 and a 700 to a 750 score. I'll be happy to discuss more about this in the bootcamp. So see you there in Bangalore.